This video is about caustics of water, and these are some important terms to know. Refraction, refraction index, Fresnel equation, Fresnel effect, which is the angle of incidence, scattering, absorption, catastrophe theory, which is the theory of differentiable mappings, positive and negative lenses, caustic mirrors, total internal reflection, and secondary reflections. So what are caustics of water? Caustics are those pretty lights that you see on the bottom of a swimming pool, or sometimes you see them reflecting on surfaces outside of the water. Caustics are caused by refraction, scattering, absorption, and reflection. Refraction is the bending of light and change of speed as it enters a new media, in this case water. And scattering is light that is re-radiated from the original direction to other directions, and this includes going backwards. Absorption is the extinction of a ray of light after being scattered, and reflection is basically light that is bounced off the surface. In this image, you can see light being scattered as it enters the water. You can see how it goes to different directions. And in this other image, you can see the light absorption. Here you can see the light, but here you cannot see any more of the light. So what is catastrophe theory? Catastrophe theory is a branch of mathematics that is used to describe caustics of water. The surface water will be the cusp catastrophe, and as light enters the water, it will be the full catastrophe. So caustics are a mix of positive and negative lenses. Positive lenses let the light through, and eventually they become concentrated on a point, and those will be the bright lights that you see on the bottom of a swimming pool. And the negative lenses scatter the light much faster, so they will never reach the bottom part of the swimming pool and create those shadow areas. And in this image, you can see the caustics being reflected on a surface outside of the water. And internal reflection is when you are under the water and you can see the underside of the water surface. And in this case, you can see the swimmer, and you can see the caustics on the bottom of the swimming pool. Depending on the angle at which you are looking at the surface, at the water surface underside, you will see more reflection. In the case of this image, you can see a mirror image of the fish, and in this image you can see this will be the light on the surface of the water that will get reflected and become reflected caustics on the surface, like in the case of this image, which you can see the caustics being reflected on a boat. In this last image, you can see the appropriate application of the caustics of water. You can see this person knows the physics of caustics, but you can see the caustics here and the light rays as they come refracted and projected on the bottom of the ocean.